Hey guys, I'm looking at one of the cleanest that I've seen in a long time. 2007 Chevrolet. It's got a 4.3 in it. They call it the cat eyes. Let me know what you think about cat eyes. I personally like them. These, you can tell these have been smoked, but it looks really good. Sounds good. It's got it's been lifted, of course. It's got 33 1250s, 20s on it. Really nice looking wheels. How big was the lift again?
4.5.
It's got a 4.5 inch lift, in case you're interested. This is a really clean truck. Tail lights have been smoked. I wouldn't mind having this one myself. Not at all. Like I said, this thing's really clean. I like it. I don't know how much these wheels are. They're Moto metal, but I'd say they're pretty expensive. The wheels and the tires both, to me, look brand new. I like it. I've never had an extended cab myself. I've always wanted one, but I've just never had an opportunity to get one. Really clean truck. I'm at our local auto parts store, and I asked permission, could I make a video, and the young man said I could, so that works out great. I'm getting new wipers on Papaw truck here. It needed them awfully bad. Let me know what you think. I appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful day. God bless y'all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, I got a second YouTube channel called Primer is Best. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe. God bless each and every one of y'all. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all later.